Hello, what's in the box? Let's see together. It is from a company called ColourPop. And if you guys may recall, if you've been with me for a while, I ordered from them, I believe, last year for Christmas. And I really enjoyed their products. And they had stuff on sale again for this year. So I know I'm early for Christmas, but if you guys know me at all, you know that I like to do it early. Partially because I'm gone for the first week of December, and for work I have something that I do every year, and then also because I get anxious if I have too much going on and I get all nervous that I'm gonna forget something or miss something or whatever, and it makes it easier if I just have my stuff done and I try to get it wrapped and all of that good stuff. So I got lots of fun treasures in here, and they wrap it up really nicely, so it's going to take me a minute, and some of it I don't even know if I'm going to be able to open completely because these are presents, so I'll at least be able to show you if I can't open it. But here are 3 lipsticks. This one is, and these are all Disney Designer Collection. These are, it looks like princesses. This is Luxe lipstick. I guess it's just in the color Tiana. And then this one is maybe in the color Snow White. And then this one is in the color maybe Maleficent. I'm not really sure. But I really think that all 3 of those are mine. So that's nice. We'll start off with the good stuff. No, I'm teasing. But seriously, I do think that I got all of those for me. I'm going to wait until I get the packing slip, and then I will make sure. Let's see. In here I have a palette. This is called Misunderstood. It's the Disney Villains palette. And I'm sure this is not for me. This is for Katie. Oh my goodness. So it tells you all the different colors back here. And here is the packaging. It's really cute. And then you open it up, and it has all of these wonderful colors. She has really been getting into makeup and doing her own thing and kind of experimenting a little bit, and she's gotten really good at it. So this is pretty neat. That's kind of neat. It starts with the white that says no spots, and then it goes to the black, which says 101. So this is, like I said, the Disney Villains, so it's pretty neat. I like this color a lot. And this one too. I'm anxious to see what she'll do with it. So that is probably going to go in her stocking. And they had a really good deal on these. I mean, I don't even remember how much things were, but it might be different now anyway. So check it out at ColourPop. And if they don't have a sale going on, you might wait for them to have one, because I do know that they have them often, or periodically at least. And this won't be the last one before Christmas for sure. For sure, for sure. I'm just trying to put it back the way that I got them because they're wrapped so nicely. I want to make sure. Oh goodness. And then I have I Love Sari ColourPop. This is a liquid lipstick. I don't know. I'm going to save all the lipsticks and these kinds of things, and I will open them at the end when I figure out whose is who. Ooh, Katie loves Ariel Mermaid. That's her favorite princess. Her room was even done in Ariel Mermaid, and that was before Ariel was even like a big thing. Now you can find her stuff everywhere. I couldn't find it anywhere, and I had to search and search. And that's when Etsy had, or no, eBay was just getting started. I mean, this is 21 years ago, and or maybe 19 years ago, 18 years ago. But this one has an Ariel Luxe lipstick, Under the Sea Super Shock Shadow, and Guppy Ultra Glossy Lip. So let's see if I can, oh, I can. Look how pretty. So that's pretty neat. It's very neutral colored. Well, the lippy is. The eyeshadow is not. It is bright green, but it's pretty, and I'm sure that she will make it rock. So that's pretty neat. I also have this Villains Jelly Much Shadow. I don't know. I'll open these at the end too. And there's a couple other Jelly Much shadows. So it looks like they're different colors. Glitterly Obsessed. I don't know what that is yet. And there's another one. And then I got a couple more palettes, it looks like. This one is, it's a princess thing. And has all the princesses' signatures on it. And these colors are colors like Chip, Fairy Godmother, Magic Carpet, Beast, Midnight Curfew. Ooh, and look at the front. That's so pretty. And here is the color palette. This actually looks more like what I'm used to her wearing, but she got a crazy one a couple times ago when she was here, and that's what made me think, okay, when I saw that villain one, I thought, I'm gonna do it, because she will rock it. She's fun. She likes to experiment with stuff, and it's pretty neat. So those are definitely for her. And then this one says, Through My Eyes, I Love Sari and ColourPop. So I don't know what this is exactly. I'm probably butchering whoever this person is. She's probably someone famous that I should know, but don't. Ooh, look at that. It's a pretty green. Oh my goodness, this is very nice. It feels very good. Through My Eyes. Ooh, and this one has a mirror, so I won't get on that, but look at those pretty colors. Wow. Yeah, I would not rock those. I wouldn't have any clue what to do with them. This is a neat, it feels really neat. It feels nice and sturdy. Not that the other ones didn't, just that this one feels extra. It says pressed powder palette, so for what it's worth, there's that. And then I have my packing slip, so that is everything. So let's see. Well, this doesn't really tell me much, because it says that Luxe Lipstick, Tiana, Snow White, Evil Queen, eye palette. Alright, well, I'm just going to have to look and go for it. So I know that those three are, I know that the eyeshadow palettes are for Katie. I know that these are. And I know that that Ariel thing is for Katie, so maybe I'll just wrap this box up for her with all of these different makeups in it. That would be kind of fun to open that up. Okay, so let's see what I have here. I'm going to open this Villains. I'm going to try to do it as carefully as I can. I think it's called Do I Look Like I Care? Because that's what it says right here. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this. Looks like something I'd craft with. Do I Look Like I Care? Glitterly Obsessed. It says body glitter. So how about that? Very pretty. That is certainly for me, because you know I'm sporting the body glitter every chance I get. I don't even think I knew it was body glitter. I just thought it was pretty. Oh well, that's for Katie. And then let's see what this Jelly Much shadow is. Oh, the color is, looks like on this one is perfectly Wretched, which is a pretty funny name. Oh, but it's very pretty. Can you guys see that? I don't know if you can see it, but it's a very neutral. It's locked in, so I can't really even show you. But it looks like it has some glitter. I don't know if it's a wet shadow. I don't know. Let's see, Jelly Much. Yeah, it's called Perfectly Wretched. And it's an eyeshadow, and I think I got that for Katie. And then I got two of this one. One is called Just Your Voice, and the other one is, so these are the same. I'm sure one's for Katie. I'm not sure, though. Oh, yeah. And it is really pretty. It's like a blue / purple. Gosh, is that picking up? thought it was really neat looking. And I was actually even thinking that I would get it to maybe, oh goodness, look at the top of that, to maybe even use on my crafts. I'm not sure, but I thought it was really cool. Oh, that top is just the stopper, so I'm going to try to pull it up. Okay, it is like a wet, liquidy eyeshadow. How interesting. Oh man. But it's kind of pretty. Gosh, I'm sorry the lighting is so crazy. But can you see that? I think I might use that for crafting. I know that sounds silly, but I can't help it. It was such a pretty color. And the packaging is adorable. It has Ursula all on it. It's really cute. But I'm not going to keep the packaging. And then I got liquid liner, and I think one is for me and one is for Katie. Yes, so she got a navy blue one. I think it's hilarious, that navy and that different colored liners and mascaras are coming back. And this one is just a black one. And I got this for myself because I needed another liquid liner that I like. I have a couple liquid liners and I'm not super happy with them. I have one from Sephora that I really like. And actually, I think I've had this one before too and I really like it. So I'm happy about that. That is nice, nice. I needed that. And this one is an I Love Sarah liquid lipstick in the color Mamacita. This Mamacita looks like it was for Mamacita be me. This is definitely a color that I would choose. That's really pretty. So I don't know if that one was intended for me or not, but guess what? Mama's getting that one. And then this one is Villain's Luxe Lipstick, Evil Queen. That certainly doesn't sound like me. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's something on it though. What is that? Is that a hair? I don't know. I'm just going to throw that away and pretend I didn't ever see it because that's weird. I mean, it doesn't look used at all. So this looks like a total matte lipstick. And it is. And it's very pretty. Look, that one looks like the one I have on. Hopefully these are long lasting. This one's kind of pretty. I think I'm probably going to keep that one as well. I might even just give it to Dennis to put in my stocking. And this one is Snow White, and I have a feeling this one's for me too, because Snow White used to be my favorite because she was the only one with dark hair. And she always had really pretty red lipstick. And I like to wear red lipstick. Look at that. So this is that one. This has all of their little signatures on it. And then it just says Snow White on the bottom with the color. Yeah, that's mine too. I love a good lippy. And then this one is Tiana, and I'm not familiar with her. I know she's in that movie with the frog, but I never did see it. My kids are a little older. So here's that. Ooh, and it's a beautiful dark color. I think this one might be for me too. Oh my goodness. It's actually very similar to the evil one, whatever that was called. Mamacita? That was Mamacita, yeah. And then that's that. I really like it. Actually, that might be my favorite. The Mamacita and that, but I can tell that the Mamacita is matte because it kind of dries kind of cracky almost. But these are very pretty. And I am keeping those, and I am going to keep this, but I'm keeping this in my craft stuff because I like it. And I'm keeping the eyeliner because I need it. So yay, a little bit of something for everybody. So thanks for watching. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you check out ColourPop because I don't think you'd be disappointed. They have some really great things, and their makeup is very reasonably priced already, and then when you can find it on sale, It's a no-brainer. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.